How does chess help develop life skills? Well, I would refer you to some of the work of Dr. Peg Dawson. She sees the immense value that chess has in supporting the executive functioning skills. In chess, you develop skills such as improved memory, retention, impulse control. You learn how to plan. You learn the emotional control and resilience that comes from losing and learning. All of these and many more align with those executive skills. So that is one of the main reasons that chess is such a powerful tool for developing life skills. If you're planning to achieve something in school, a school project, are you thinking about the goal and the steps to get there and how to go there and creating that plan? And if something bad happens, do you learn from it or do you run from it? Are you willing to fail forward? In fact, at Chess for Life, we like to say fail means first attempt in learning. So win, draw, or learn, chess is a vehicle for developing essential life skills.